Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel Living the Healthy Way. Today, we're diving into having healthy hair. This video will provide valuable insights and practical tips for incorporating into your daily life. Maintaining healthy hair involves a combination of good practices, suitable products, and a healthy lifestyle. Here's a detailed look at each tip. 1. Use gentle hair care products. Harsh chemicals can strip your hair of natural oils, causing dryness and damage. Choose shampoos, conditioners, and styling products free from sulfates, parabens, and alcohol. Opt for products tailored to your hair type, for example, curly, straight, oily, dry. 2. Get regular trims. Regular trims help prevent split ends and breakage, keeping your hair looking healthy and strong. Visit a stylist every 6 to 8 weeks to trim the ends of your hair. Even a small trim can make a big difference. 3. Eat a balanced diet. Nutrients are crucial for healthy hair growth. A diet rich in vitamins and minerals supports hair health. Incorporate foods high in vitamins A, carrots, sweet potatoes, C, citrus fruits, strawberries, E, almonds, spinach, and omega-3 fatty acids, salmon, walnuts. Protein-rich foods like eggs and lean meats are also beneficial. 4. Stay hydrated. Hydration is essential for overall health, including the health of your hair and scalp. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Hydrated hair is less prone to dryness and breakage. 5. Reduce heat styling. Heat can cause significant damage to hair, leading to dryness, split ends, and breakage. Limit the use of hair dryers, curling irons, and straighteners. When you do use them, apply a heat protectant spray beforehand and use the lowest heat setting possible. 6. Use a wide tooth comb. A wide tooth comb is gentler on hair and reduces the risk of breakage and split ends. Comb your hair starting from the ends and work your way up to the roots. This method minimizes tangling and breakage. 7. Protect from sun damage. Prolonged exposure to the sun can damage your hair, causing dryness and color fading. Wear a hat or use hair products that contain SPF when you're going to be in the sun for extended periods. 8. Don't overwash. Washing hair too frequently can strip it of natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation. Aim to wash your hair 2 to 3 times a week. If your hair is oily, use a dry shampoo between washes. 9. Get enough sleep. Adequate sleep is essential for overall health, including the health of your hair. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Good sleep habits promote hair growth and repair. 10. Reduce stress. High stress levels can lead to hair loss and other health issues. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. Additional tips: use a hair mask once a week. Hair masks provide extra nourishment and hydration. Look for masks with natural ingredients like coconut oil, honey, or avocado. Avoid harsh chemical treatments. Treatments like bleaching, perming, and relaxing can weaken hair. If you must use them, ensure they're done by a professional and follow up with deep conditioning treatments. Be gentle when towel drying. Vigorously rubbing your hair with a towel can cause breakage. Instead, gently pat your hair dry with a soft towel or use a microfiber towel to reduce friction. Use a satin pillowcase. Satin pillowcases reduce friction and help prevent hair breakage and frizz. They're especially beneficial for curly or textured hair. Remember, everyone's hair is unique, so it may take some time to find the routine and products that work best for you. Consistency and patience are key to achieving and maintaining healthy hair. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content on healthy living. Please subscribe and share this video with someone you care about. Thank you.